okay?
This is the equipment from Target, right there, or Amazon. This is about a $29 investment.
No, it's, I think this is $10.
$10, okay.
You like that, Craig?
That's it.
Okay.
And you all have a cell phone. That's all you need. And you might want to get yourself a ring light or two. I had one, and then I didn't have it right in front of me because I was getting a reflection on my glasses. So I had the ring light to the left, and then I had shadows on the right. So I went to Amazon and bought a second ring light. I've got one over here and one over here, angled, because if you wear glasses like me, you don't want, show the ring lights. That's it. That's my equipment.
So a few of you over here saw me do a video, right? So I didn't have a topic. I just set it there. And actually at lunch, after, maybe 15 minutes before we start again, come in, because I'm going to do some videos, and you guys can watch how easy I do it. But I didn't have a topic. I set this up, and I don't know if you guys saw it. Did you guys see me? Yep. It was 15 seconds. I didn't have a topic. So what did I say? Buyers and sellers. Is it still a good time to buy or sell, right? Basically is what I said. And actually we're going to show it. Craig wanted to show it. And then I said, you got to work with agents that know what they're doing and be in that conferences to educate themselves so they can bring it back to you, right? I have this background in the background. I didn't need a light or anything.
This background actually works.
It's a really good background. So now I'm like, okay, I have some things.
That's really smart, actually, right? Kristin's like, okay, Craig paid a couple $100,000 for this lighting on the stage, right? And I'm just going to stand in front of this setup, and it looks amazing. Are we able to show that?
Yeah. Do you have it? Okay, go ahead.
So if you guys want to do some videos where you're here, I paid for the stage, the lighting, and the backdrop. This is a good place. Here's something. Here's something you guys could do right now, sometime over the next day or two, today, tomorrow, whenever. You could say, hey, as you know, the real estate market is rapidly changing, okay? And I'm here in Orlando, Florida, to help my clients navigate through this massively changing, and you've got this background here,
Yeah.
You're at the conference, and then start hitting them with some of the points that we talked about